Waiting for thermostat delays after power restoration prevents immediate compressor cycling and potential equipment damage. Modern thermostats include built-in time delays that prevent the compressor from restarting too quickly after power loss, because rapid cycling can strain the motor and reduce the life of the system. When power returns, the thermostat will often lock out the compressor for a set period, typically about 5 minutes, to allow pressures in the refrigeration circuit to equalize and to protect the contactor and compressor motor from short cycling. As a best practice, tell the homeowner to wait at least 5 minutes before adjusting settings or retesting the system, and set a timer on your phone so you do not inadvertently restart too soon. If the system does not start after the delay, check that the thermostat is powered, the breaker and service switch are on, and that the thermostat display shows the set point and mode correctly. For heat pump systems, note that additional safety timers may extend this wait, and the outdoor unit fan may run before the compressor engages. Keep a simple log of power loss incidents and restart behavior to identify repeated compressor lockouts, which could indicate a control or refrigerant issue. Common mistakes include retesting immediately and causing short cycling, which can blow compressor, start capacitors, or burn out motors. Prevent this by enforcing the 5-minute wait and watching for immediate restart attempts. Another common issue is assuming the thermostat is faulty when the compressor does not start. Verify the built-in delay, check breaker and low voltage at the thermostat, and confirm mode and set point before replacing equipment. Finally, homeowners may not be informed about the delay and call for service prematurely. Give clear instructions to wait 5 minutes. Describe what normal restart behavior looks like, and advise them to monitor for unusual noises, odors, or repeated failure to start. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place where contractors can find jobs and showcase their work. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange practical advice about system restarts and other common home project issues.